A glass of this drink can make any bad day of yours better. I'm not talking about tequilas and pina coladas, I'm talking about turmeric milk. And if you haven't tried this amazing golden milk, you better keep watching because this miracle in a glass could possibly save your life. You'll be surprised by the 6th benefit of this drink listed in this video. Besides biryani and Aamir Khan, India has given the world another amazing gift that originates from this culture-rich country. Turmeric milk is also known as golden milk because of its color, mainly from one of its key ingredients, turmeric. Milk and other spices like cinnamon and ginger are often added to enhance their flavor and boost their nutritional value. It cannot be overstated what this drink can do to our body. It will help you sleep better, reduce the risk of various diseases, and make your body even stronger. It's more like the gold standard of any healthy drink there is in the world. But before you dry scoop turmeric and wash it down with a bucket of water, you need to understand a few things. There's a reason why it's called turmeric milk. The active component of turmeric, which is called curcumin, is a fat-soluble compound. It means that curcumin is easily processed by your gut if paired with fat, and milk seems to be a perfect combination for that very reason. Turmeric milk is packed with antioxidants. The active component in turmeric is curcumin, a powerful antioxidant. But what are antioxidants? Think of them as cleaners of your body. Stress and external factors like radiation, pollution, and industrial chemicals rack up free radicals in your cells, which causes them to haywire and die. Antioxidants clean out these free radicals and protect your body from oxidative stress. Spices added to turmeric milk like cinnamon and ginger have impressive amounts of antioxidants as well. Combining these ingredients makes your golden milk one of the healthiest beverages you could possibly think of. Turmeric milk can also boost brain function and memory. Curcumin has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor or BDNF. That being said, turmeric milk can likely turn back the time for the health of your brain. It promotes and enhances the growth of your brain cells. Now this is something worth remembering. Did you know that cinnamon alone appears to reduce the risk of Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and many age-related brain deteriorations? Consuming turmeric milk regularly will boost your mental stamina and sharpen your focus to get things done. Turmeric milk improves mood. If you're suffering from depression and anxiety, making turmeric milk as part of your evening routine can do wonders for your life. About 9% of women and 6% of men are depressed. Ages 18 to 25 years old account for more than 15% of that number. Studies have shown improvement in people diagnosed with depression by taking a combination of antidepressant medicine and turmeric milk. Sounds more like happy milk to me. Turmeric milk for your heart. You really can never go wrong when it comes to drinking golden milk. Ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon, which are the common ingredients of turmeric milk, are linked to a lower risk of heart diseases. These ingredients have proven to lower your body's free radicals, triglycerides, blood sugar levels, and LDLs, which are bad cholesterol. You better swap this golden milk for your favorite evening drink if you don't plan on having a heart attack anytime soon. As your LDL lowers down, your heart doesn't need to work as hard to circulate blood throughout your body. Your blood pressure will stabilize, your breathing will take less effort, and you will feel better overall. Turmeric milk for your blood sugar level. Now there's no excuse to skip a sip of the golden milk. Insulin is important for regulating your blood sugar level. As your body produces insulin, your cells may become resistant to it over time. This leads to sugar in your diet being stored as body fat. You'll feel tired and hungry again, thus increasing your food intake and eventually developing type 2 diabetes. Turmeric milk can reduce your body's insulin resistance and enhance how your cells respond to it. This will lower your blood sugar level and prevent the risk of diabetes. Turmeric milk for inflammation and joint pain. Does your back constantly remind you of your age? Do you have swelling joints making it hard for you to bend over and pick up that penny you just dropped? Turmeric milk can help you with that. The active ingredients of your turmeric milk have a very potent anti-inflammatory property. Inflammation itself isn't a bad thing. Acute inflammation can be an indicative sign that your body's response to infection, trauma, and various diseases is in check. Chronic inflammation, on the other hand, is bad news. It may be a sign that your body cannot overcome the negative condition your system is going through. Signs of chronic inflammation may include abdominal pain, rashes, chest pain, mouth sores, fatigue, and joint pains. Chronic inflammation may lead to obesity, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease, and even cancer. A key to maintaining your health is to eliminate chronic inflammation in your body, and one of the best ways to fight it off is to choose the healthiest food that enters your stomach. Turmeric milk is one of the best anti-inflammatory drinks that you could ever have. According to a study in a group of 45 people, 500 milligrams of curcumin daily has similar or better effects compared to 50 milligrams of common arthritis drugs. This alone could make turmeric milk a real game changer as you start to add it to your diet. Turmeric milk for your bones. Do you know the strongest bone in your body? I'll give you a clue. It is also the longest. It is known to be 4 times harder than concrete. And it's your femur, also known as your thigh bone. Turmeric milk can even make it stronger. Most cow's milk and plant milk are high in calcium and vitamin D, which hand in hand strengthens your bones and even your teeth. Having low calcium levels in your body strips off calcium in your bones, making them brittle and weak. If your body is lacking vitamin D, your gut absorbs less calcium in your diet, regardless if you consumed your daily recommended dose. Turmeric milk for better digestion. Turmeric milk improves digestion, especially of fat, due to the increased bile production of up to 62% that turmeric milk stimulates. If you have a problem breaking down the 16-ounce steak you've just had for dinner, a glass before you sleep would make it pass through your gut like butter. Make it a habit to drink turmeric every night and you'll never feel indigestion and constipation. It can also decrease the risk of ulcerative colitis due to the ulcers that can develop in your gut. Turmeric milk's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Golden milk is one of the most famous beverages in India, and Indians can attest to the power of turmeric milk can do to your body. It is known to boost the immune response to bacteria and viruses. It is commonly used to treat common colds and fatigue. Curcumin contains antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that would help fight off several infections. What could you ever wish for a drink packed with benefits that would greatly impact your health? It'll be near impossible to match the improvement your body will gain when you drink turmeric milk every night. You don't know how to make turmeric milk? I've got you covered. You're gonna need 1/2 cup of unsweetened milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 small piece of freshly grated ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 pinch of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Just mix all the ingredients and bring them to a boil. Simmer for about 10 minutes or until the aroma gets stronger. Strain the drink to get a smoother consistency, add a pinch of cinnamon, and you can enjoy your glass of turmeric milk. It's a good idea to make some in advance and store it in your refrigerator for up to 5 days, reheat before drinking. Have you tried this turmeric milk before? Or maybe you have your recipe? Join the conversation and let us know in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to this channel so you'll always be informed of my latest videos. Share this with your friends and family as well so they can learn the power turmeric milk can do over them. You might want to check out this one fruit that is very effective in preventing insulin resistance and promoting gut health. Just click here to learn more.